Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Pay payment decline, check your payment information and try again. If you're using any iPhone or iPad, you're facing the issue that whenever you try to pay for anything, you might see the error that your payment has been declined. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to switch between Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect with a different stable or strongest network connection. Then go to your settings app and here go to general, go to VPN device management and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. After that, go back, go to language and region and select your own region in which you're living. Again, go back, go to date and time section, enable the toggle to set your date and time automatically. After doing this, you have to go back again, go to software update and just try to update your software. After updating software, go back, scroll down, look for transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings if there will be any issue with your iPhone network. It will be fixing the step and you'll not get the issue again. After resetting your network settings, just open your App Store and here just tap on the profile option at the top right, then tap on your Apple ID. Here you have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. After entering password, just tap on the sign up option. So once you have signed in, you will get this app interface. Just wait for the loading. Then select manage payments and remove your payment method from here. So once you have removed your payment method, just go back, go to country or region option here and just select your own country or region in which you're living or the country or region which you have just selected in iPhone settings. So let's say I'm gonna select this one from here. Then tap on this continue option. Then tap on agree at the top right. And here you have to re-add your payment method. You can add your same payment method or you can also try to use any other payment method if you have. Then add your billing address correctly. You have to make sure that you haven't any mistake in your billing address. Then enter your phone number, your name, and after all just tap on done option at the top right and your payment method will be updated. So once you have updated your payment method, your issue will be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to use a different payment method or try to use a different Apple ID, or you can also try to use Apple Support app to contact the Apple Support team to get official help. Now to do this, open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your app store. You can use Apple Support app. Select iPhone from here, select this more option, select App Store, then tap on Get More Help, then tap on Call Us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.